Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, can you see my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, we will begin now. So today we will discuss about Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura. So let's begin. This is the schedule of the day. So, anyone remember the Srila Prabhupada Pranam Mantra? I mean, it's already written here, but if you remember it, then you can recite it while closing your eyes.
Mataji, I know without seeing.
Okay, please recite, Pratyush.
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णाप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिने नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशचारिणे.
Wow, you're very wise. I already knew this. I remember you. You were there in the last session. Please read the translation now.
Okay, Mataji. I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace, Sri A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at his lotus feet.
Yes, please read.
Our respectful obeisances. Namaste Saraswate Deve
No, the
Gaurava.
translation. You need to read the translation. You have already
Our
written.
respectful obeisances are unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Saraswati Goswami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya and delivering the Western countries which are filled with impersonalism and voidism.
Amazing. Now we will begin with our japa. So, dear kids, I have some different strategy today. What I will be doing is I will be unmuting any kid. So, you all have to be ready and you need to unmute yourself and you need to chant the Mahamantra out loud. So, we will give chance to every kid so that everyone may recite, may chant it nicely. Because when we do it, like if anyone unmute themselves, then it becomes little messy. So I will allow kids to unmute themselves and they will chant. So be ready. So Sujay, we are starting from you. Please recite the Panchtattva Mahamantra. And I hope you are ready with your beat bag.
Yes, Mataji.
Yay! All right, please start.
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद शिवा साधु भक्त हरे कृष्ण श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
You
हरे
have to chant. You have to chant. You don't have to sing. We are chanting now.
हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram
Mm,
Ram, Hare
good.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Radha Priya, please be loud and chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please chant out loud. Okay, Satyam Baba, please.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Rama, Hare Krishna, Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare
Madhav or Malu, please chant.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Anyone from videos whose videos are off? Nakul, would you like to chant? Please chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vivan, yes, please chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Prabhuji, can I chant?
Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna
All right.
Hare Ram, Done, Mataji.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much. We have completed our one round of japa. Now, moving forward to our session. So, let's see what all things we'll be covering in our today's session. And I am muting everyone now. Okay. So, today we will explore we will explore Pranam Mantra of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. We will be learning about his biography, sequencing the major events in his life, and discovering about the Lord Chaitanya's birthplace. So, dear kids, do you know what? Who are Manjaris? You can raise your hands and I will allow you to unmute yourself. Do you know who are Manjaris? Have you ever heard about this word? Okay, Madhav and Malu are raising their hands. Yes.
So let's see, Mataji.
Okay, that is different Manjari, but this is different Manjari. Okay, so this is something, a new concept for all of you. No issues. So, dear kids, Manjaris are very special devotees who always serve Srimati Radharani. Means they are always at the side of Srimati Radharani and they are always selfless. They don't think of their own happiness. They serve Srimati Radharani selflessly, and because of this reason, Srimati Radharani, when she serves Lord Krishna, so she experiences so much bliss, like so much ecstasy. But because these Manjaris, maid servants of Srimati Radharani, they serve Srimati Radharani selflessly. So when they serve Srimati Radharani like this, so Srimati Radharani give them pleasure. Srimati Radharani give them more ecstasy than what Srimati Radharani herself experienced when she served Krishna. So that's why Manjaris are very special. Why? Because when Radharani serves Krishna, she feels unlimited bliss. So, out of her great mercy, she shares that bliss with her dear Manjaris. So, Manjaris are special and eternal maid servants of Srimati Radharani. They serve selflessly only for Radharani's happiness. And so, are you getting who are Manjaris? Maid servants of Srimati Radharani. So, now there are many Manjaris in Golok Dham who are busy in serving Srimati Radharani. And one of the chief Manjari from all the Manjaris, the main Manjari is Rupa Manjari. So have you heard about Srila Rupa Goswami? Right? So that Srila Rupa Goswami who came in this mortal world, he is actually Rupa Manjari in Golok Dham, who is serving Srimati Radharani from eternal time. So, Rupa Manjari, who is Srila Rupa Goswami, he is the chief Manjari and he serves under Lalita Sakhi. So you know Lalita Sakhi is one of the best friends of Srimati Radharani, and Roop Manjari serves under her guidance. So Lalita Sakhi guide these Manjaris, Rupa Manjari and all the Manjaris, that how they can actually please Srimati Radharani. So yes, now out of those so many Manjaris, there are many Manjaris who serve under Rupa Manjari, and out of these many Manjaris, there is one special Manjari, and that is Kamal Manjari. I hope you are noting down the notes. We will have quiz at the last. So, dear kids, there are many Manjaris, and out of those Manjaris, there is one special Manjari who is Kamal Manjari. And today we will be discussing about her. So now, do you know who is that Kamal Manjari? Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, to whom we will be discussing about today. So, dear kids, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur is the father of Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur. Do you know who is Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur? Spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada. Yes. So, the spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada is Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur, and his father is Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, and we will be discussing about him today. So we discussed that Roop Manjari is Srila Rupa Goswami in Golok Dham. He is Roop Manjari, and Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, who is the father of the spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada, is Kamal Manjari. And she serves, Kamal Manjari serves under Roop Manjari. And among them is Kamal Manjari. So Kamal Manjari is equals to Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Are you all with me? If you face any difficulty, you can always raise your hands and ask doubts. Okay? So, moving forward to a special thing. What is her service in Golok Dham? We have learned that okay, these Manjaris, they serve Srimati Radharani in Golok Dham, but they have different services. Just like you will see, this month is full of the appearance days of the Sakhis. So all the Sakhis have different services. They have different skills, talents, and they serve accordingly to Radha Madhav. So same way, these Manjaris also have different services. So Lalita Sakhi has a beautiful garden in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is also there in Golok Dham. And in that garden roams Kamal Manjari. And her loving service is plucking flowers for Srimati Radharani. Just like you can see here in the photo. So her service is plucking flowers for Srimati Radharani from Lalita Sakhi's garden. Okay. Moving forward to our shloka time. So here today, kids, we will be learning about the pranam mantra of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Just like we have pranam mantra for Srila Prabhupada, we have pranam mantras for all our acharyas. Today we will be discussing about Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur's pranam mantra. So I will need a volunteer who may sing this mantra with me. Okay, Satyabhama, yes. So please sing after me. Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Satchidanand Namine
Sachidananda Namine
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Rupanogayate Namaha.
Rupanugaratyate Namaha.
Okay, beautiful. I will need more volunteers. Oh, Vrindarani, Hare Krishna, you are late, but still.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, please. Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Satchidanand Namine
Satchidananda Namine
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Rupanugrayate Namaha.
Rupanugrayate Namaha.
Yes, Pratyush. Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Namo Bhakti Vinodaya
Satchidanand Namine
Satchidananda Namine
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Gaura Shakti Swarupaya
Rupanugrayate Namaha.
Upanugarayate Namaha. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, so anyone would like to sing the translation? Yes, Madhav, you look so enthusiastic to me. Please.
Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna. Translation. I bow down to
No,
Sri
you need to sing it.
Lakshmi.
You need to sing it.
Okay.
Do you know any
I
tune?
okay. I bow down to Sri Satchidananda Bhakti Vinod Thakur, who is
Okay,
the
please
man.
sing after me. Sing after me. I bow down to Sri Satchidananda
I bow down to Sri Satchidananda
Bhakti Vinoda Thakura,
Bhakti Vinoda Thakura,
who is the manifestation
who is the manifestation
of the power of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
of the power of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
and is best known as Sri Goswami.
and is best known as Sri Goswami.
Okay, dear kids. So, see, it's very clear. I bow down to Sri Satchidanand Bhakti Vinod Thakura. So, see, what is the meaning of Satchidanand? Is anyone know here? Sat, Chit plus Sat plus Chit plus Anand. Sat means truth. Please note in your diary, this is very important word. Sat means which is truth, eternal. Sat Chit. Chit means knowledgeable. And Anand means blissful. So this is the constitutional state of every living being. Why? Because this is how Krishna is. Krishna is all blissful, he is all knowledgeable, he is all truthful, means he is eternal. So because we are his fragmental parts, so we are also Satchidanand. But we are not situated in this state yet. But Bhakti Vinod Thakura is already Satchidanand. What does that mean? That any of these great acharyas, the state of their soul is Satchidanand, but their bodies are also Satchidanand. Why? Because they are serving the great supreme personality of Godhead. And same, just like we are also serving Krishna, so we will also get at this stage very soon. That is Satchidanand. We will be blissful, we will be ecstasy while remembering Krishna. We will be in knowledge. What? Knowledge that I am not this body. Right now we identify ourselves with this body. So yes, this all things will come by time. So I bow down to Sri Satchidanand Bhaktivinoda Thakura, who is the manifestation of power of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So now what does that mean? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself empowered him so that he may do something what? That we will discuss very soon through a story and is best known as Sri Goswami. So, dear kids, here is a question for all of you. How many Goswamis are there? Let me catch. Vivan, do you know how many Goswamis are there?
What, Mataji?
How many Goswamis are there?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Kids are showing their fingers. Very nice. So there are 6 Goswamis. Yes, I know you already know. You all know this. But Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura is so much great that people used to call him seventh Goswami. That he is seventh Goswami. Why? Because he was in Grahastha ashrama, but then also he was so much inclined towards spirituality, towards serving Krishna. That's why he is also known as seventh Goswami. So there are 7 Goswamis. Now let's move ahead to his biography. We will learn little bit about his life. So please keep your notes ready, everyone. So, dear kids, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura appeared in this world in 1838 on 2nd September in West Bengal, Birnagar. So, yeah, and his family was cultured and he was named Kedarnath Datta. So, he took birth in a very wealthy family, very prestigious family, and his childhood name was Kedarnath Datta. So, from the very childhood, dear kids, he was so much inclined towards spirituality. So, I'm remembering one of his pastime where there was one gatekeeper in his house, and he was a thief. Earlier, he was a thief, but later he joined a job as a gatekeeper in his house. So now, once Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kedarnath Datta, he asked his gatekeeper that have you ever heard about any scriptures? Have you ever heard about scriptures like Ramayana or Mahabharata? So he said, yes, I know many stories about Ramayana and Mahabharata. That gatekeeper said that yes, I have heard about the stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So now Kedarnath Datta, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he asked him that okay, you tell me the stories and I will hear from you. So now every single day, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to hear stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata from his gatekeeper, because his gatekeeper was a great storyteller of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So young Kedarnath eagerly listened to these stories from him. So he was very much inclined towards spirituality from his very childhood and deeply attracted to Krishna. Talking about his education and career, so he studied law and he became a highly respected magistrate and government officer. So, apart from this material studies, dear kids, he also studied so many scriptures. So, you can see the list we will see here. Before moving to that list, let's just see let's just see about his family life. So he had many children He had 13 children in total, and among them was Bimal Prasad Datta, who later became Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur. So now can you remember who is Srila Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur? Who will tell me? Let's see if you really remember it. Damini, yay! I was missing you. Do you remember who is Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur? You know it, I know, but you are confused. He is the spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada. Now, do you remember it?
Yes.
Yes. So, he is the son of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. His childhood's name was Bimal Prasad Datta. See, it's written here. You have to be little clever, dear kids. See, it's mentioned here. The spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada. So, yes. Now, about his spiritual revival. At that time, Bengal's spiritual scene was full of wrong interpretation of bhakti. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur strongly preached the pure devotees of Lord Chaitanya. So, dear kids, for these things which were going at that time, people used to interpret wrong things about scriptures, about God. So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he went to Gopinath Pandita and he studied so many scriptures from him in Puri. So he studied detailed descriptions of Srimad Bhagavatam with Sridhar Swami's commentaries. So you know Srimad Bhagavatam is the essence of all the scriptures, right? It is the crown jewel of all the scriptures and teaches us pure devotion to Krishna. And you will see, okay, let's see. Do you know the difference between Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam? Okay, Pratyush, please.
Mataji, in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna teaches to Arjuna the full Bhagavad Gita, and in Bhagavatam, Krishna tells about his all devotees and the stories of his devotees.
Very beautiful. So basically, Bhagavad Gita is all about the instructions of Krishna, and Srimad Bhagavatam teaches us, Srimad Bhagavatam is filled with wonderful stories of Lord Krishna and his devotees. So very nice, you all are very wise. So yes, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, he went to Gopinath Pandita and he read Srimad Bhagavatam, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, which is all about the life story of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then there are other scriptures like Sat Sandarbha. It is by Jiva Goswami, one of the Goswamis, you know. So he read this book, Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu by Srila Rupa Goswami, Govind Bhashya, the commentary on the Brahma Sutra by Baldev Vidyabhushan. So I have put few names here. There are many books which he read, and there are many like hundreds of books he wrote by himself. So yes, let me tell you little bit about these books. You know, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita is all about Lord Chaitanya. Sat Sandarbha is the philosophy of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. We all are Gaudiya Vaishnav, right? Because we follow Lord Chaitanya. So he tells this Sat Sandarbha is all about its philosophy. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu is about the different moods of loving Krishna. So there, do you remember the 5 loving exchanges that we can have with Krishna? Anyone? We discussed in our previous session. Vrindarani? Yes.
So we can be a best friend uh, loving parent.
Yes. Okay,
As
let's
her
just count with me. We can become a devotee of Krishna. We can become his friend. We can become his parent. We can become his lover, or we can become anything for him. Do you remember? Sri Balaram, he manifests himself in different things in service to Krishna. That is called Shantras. So these are the different moods and different rasas in which we can serve Krishna, in which we can love Krishna. So Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu is all about that. Okay. So moving forward to his guru now. This is very important. Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru. So dear kids, Diksha Guru is someone who initiates his disciples. So, initiating Guru of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura is Srila Bipin Bihari Goswami. Please note in your diary, Srila Bipin Bihari Goswami. He belonged to the disciple of Lord Nityananda and he gave initiation to Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura and empowered him to spread Krishna consciousness through his books and preaching. And his Shiksha Guru is very interesting. So you will see in your altar there is a parampara line, right? So please remember it. Very first comes Srila Prabhupada, then after him comes Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and after him comes Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura, and after him comes his Shiksha Guru, which is Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So he is the instructing Guru of Bhakti Vinod Thakura. Okay, I'm missing. Before Bhakti Vinod Thakura comes Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, who is the master of Srila Bhakti Saraswati Thakur. So, his Shiksha Guru is very amazing. He was famous as the commander in chief of the devotees. Means he was very exalted. After Goswamis, he is the one who continued the parampara. He is very elderly and respected saint of Navdvipa. So dear kids, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was 150 years old. That's why it is said that he is very elderly. Guided Bhakti Vinod Thakura in a deep devotional practices. Helped him in discovering the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya in Mayapur. Now comes the story time. So we will be discussing about how Bhakti Vinod Thakura discovered the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya in Mayapur. So be ready, kids. It will be a very interesting story. We will be dive into it. So long time ago, the actual place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had become lost. So in Mayapur, basically we know that that place is known as Mayapur, but people were not aware of this thing. That place is called Mayapur and it is the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So people were not aware. People were not sure where exactly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. Some thought it was in Navdvip town, but there was confusion. They were not aware of the exact place where did he appear. So at that time, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura had a deep desire in his heart that I must find the real birthplace of my beloved Lord Gauranga. So he had this deepest desire in his heart. He wanted to find out that where did Lord Chaitanya appear? I need to find it. So what he did, being a magistrate and a great scholar, he read so many scriptures. So he started doing very careful research. He studied old maps, ancient books, and scriptures like Chaitanya Bhagavata, Chaitanya Charitamrita, and he compared the descriptions with actual land of Navdvipa. Just like, I don't know if you ever did this in your life. Suppose your favorite anything, your favorite toy, you missed it somewhere. Now you are finding it that, oh, where is my toy? So now you start making planning. You ask your parents, you ask your maybe siblings that where is my toy? I can't find it. So same way, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, he compared the descriptions with the actual land of Navdvipa. And one day, while exploring, he reached a small Muslim village called Miapur. Now, this is quite interesting. People, because they were Muslims, they were assuming they were Muslims. So, they used to call that place Miapur. Later, this place became famous as Mayapur, where, we visit for having Lord's Darshana. So, there he saw something very special. What? That the land was shining with spiritual energy and many tulsi plants were growing wildly. Now, it's really not ordinary if you will see any place, you will see many wild plants, but it's very rare if you see tulsi plants are growing there. So, he found this something special in that place, and Bhakti Vinod Thakura felt in his heart this must be the holy place. I don't know what has happened to my throat. Can you give me 1 minute? Please give me 1 minute. Okay. Sorry, dear kids, for interrupting the story in mid. So I hope you are finding it interesting that Bhaktivinoda Thakura, he felt in his heart that this must be the holy place because it's really not ordinary that tulsi plants are growing here wildly like that. So calling Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, who is he? Can anyone tell me? I'm not remembering it. Hmm. Okay, Sujay. Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Shivansh.
Sorry?
Ma'am, Mataji, my name is Shivansh.
Okay. Do you know who is Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj?
Ma'am, he is Bhakti Vinod Thakur's Diksha Guru.
Shiksha Guru, not Diksha Guru. So, now, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, he called Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. To confirm, he invited to great saint Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, who was the most respected spiritual leader at that time. So, Babaji Maharaj was already more than 120 years old. It was not 150, it was more than 120 years old, which is also not a small number. And he was so weak. You can imagine that any person who is in his, plus hundreds, so he will be very, very weak. So, physically saying, he is a great devotee of Krishna. Physically, he was so weak that he could not even walk by himself. His servant used to carry him with a basket. His eyes were, so much uh, weak. He could not open his eyes by himself because he was feeling very weak. So, yes, but when Babaji Maharaj was brought to that very spot in Miyapur, something extraordinary happened. Can you guess? It was something very, very amazing. Even though his body was old externally and he was weak, but as soon as he reached that land, he suddenly stood up and started jumping in ecstasy. Can you just grab this? Can you believe this? He was very old, he was very weak, he was not even able to walk by himself, not he was not able to open his eyes by himself. But as soon as he reached that land, he suddenly stood up. He jumped from his basket and he started jumping in ecstasy. He was calling out Mahaprabhu's name, Gauranitai, Janitai, Janimai. And with tears in his eyes, he shouted that yes, this is the birthplace of my Lord Gauranga. This is the very place where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. So he was in great ecstasy. And thus, the doubt was removed by the combined efforts of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura's research and the spiritual vision of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. The world came to know the real and glorious birthplace of Lord Chaitanya in Sri Mayapur Dham. Sri Mayapur Dham ki jai. So this way, we come to know that the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya is Mayapur, which was, people used to call it Miyapur earlier. So one of his greatest contributions in Mayapur, people had forgotten the real place of Lord Chaitanya's appearance. Through his research, study, and visions, he rediscovered and established the true Yoga Peeth, birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And here's the photo of Yoga Peeth. Okay, moving forward, what is the moral of the story, dear kids? This is the most important story which we have heard maybe in our life, because it is something which is connected with the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself. So, moral of the story is Bhaktivinoda Thakura showed us how determination and study of scriptures can help us find the truth. What is truth? Truth means absolute truth, and absolute truth is Krishna. So, if we are determined, if we are sincere, if we are sincerely studying these information, this knowledge, the scriptures, then we will definitely understand Krishna very nicely. So, dedication and sincerity is very, very needed, dear kids. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj showed us that real saints can feel the presence of the Lord. Because of them, today the whole world can visit Mayapur and celebrate Lord Chaitanya's appearance. So all glories to Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, who became the reason for finding out the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh, now he disappeared. He left this world on 23rd June 1914 in Calcutta. Calcutta is the place where Srila Prabhupada appeared, leaving behind a great legacy of devotional literature and a strong foundation for the worldwide spread of Krishna. Okay. Moving forward to our activity. So this is very easy activity, and please forgive me for the last activity we did. It was little complicated, not much, but this is something very easy. Please tell me if you can see these words clearly. Okay. So what you need to do is, dear kids, these are the word jumbled. These are jumbled words, and you need to unjumble it. So I will do the very first for you to tell you how you can do. So you need to unjumble the word. So very first is Radharani, Radharani. So I have solved the very first for all of you. Now it's time for you to do other, and you have 3 minutes for it. So time begins now. Please be quick. I am clearing the hands, and you can raise your hands again if you are ready. Okay, Sujay. I will call you with this name because I can only see this name. You can rename your name by your name. Yes, please.
Ma'am, the second Mataji, the second answer is Manjari.
Manjari. Yay. Yes, you're right. Very good. Yes, Pratyush, the third one.
Mataji, the third one I don't know, but sixth one is Mayapur.
Okay, good. So you don't have to do only one, you need to solve all of it. Okay, Brinda Rani, please. Third one.
The the third one is Rupa Manjari.
Yes, Rupa Manjari. Okay, who is Rupa Manjari? Do you remember? Srila Rupa Goswami is Rupa Manjari. Okay. Moving forward to yes, Parsarthi Priya. Can you answer fourth one?
Last fourth one is Radha.
Fourth one.
Lalita Sakhi.
Lalita Sakhi. Yes. Who is Lalita Sakhi?
Lalita Sakhi is Ashti Sakhi.
Yes. She is one of the best friend of Srimati Radharani. Good. Next is Madhav. Are you ready? Mm, yes. Fifth. Fifth for you.
I can't get.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Saloni, can you? Fifth one,
Kamal Manjari.
Kamal Manjari. Yes, very good. Sixth, Pratyush have answered. Seventh, anyone?
Navadvip.
Okay, good. Navdeep. Eighth one, anyone? Okay, you take more time if you have not solved it. We'll give you more time. Others, are you in the class? Shubhra or okay, where is Satyabhama? Satyabhama, where are you? Yes. Have you done it?
Mataji, I'm still trying to figure out the seventh one. I don't know what it is.
You can answer anyone if you have not done the whole.
Is the eighth one Jagannath Das Babaji?
Yes. Are you guessing or have you solved it?
No, I think I solved the eighth one.
Good. Okay. Okay, Vrinda Rani, yes.
The seventh one is Radha Kund.
Radha Kund, yes. Damini, you were raising your hand. Okay.
Mine was the same answer.
Which one?
The seventh one is Radhakunda.
Radha Kunda is done. Mathili, are you here? Mathili, yes. Have you solved any of these which are left? Radhya, why are you sitting so quiet? Please participate. Have you solved any of these?
I had solved the second one, but
No, second one is done. Okay. Pratyush, yes.
Mataji, the last one is Bhakti Vinoda Thakura.
Good. And now second last is left. Let's see who will tell. Parsarthi Priya, yes.
I don't know. It's RKI 24. I don't know.
Okay, Saloni, have you done the last second? Okay, Vrindarani, yes.
Kedarnath Datta.
Yes. The childhood name of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Very nice, kids. So, okay. Now we will do our quiz, and after quiz, we will do our craft. So be ready. Now I am allowing everyone to. No, no, we'll do like this only. So the very first question is, if you know the answer, you can raise your hands. Who is the chief Manjari serving under Lalita Sakhi? Satyabhama, yes.
Rupa Manjari.
Rupa Manjari. Who is Rupa Manjari?
Rupa Goswami, Mataji.
Rupa Goswami. Very nice. Okay. I'm sorry. What is the special service of Kamal Manjari? Who will tell me? Okay. Parsati Priya, yes.
No, Mataji, I don't know.
Okay. Now I'll only allow to those who will raise their hands. Because if you are not raising your hand, means you don't know the answer. Okay. Satyabhama done. Okay, Sujay, please.
Ma'am, Mataji, the special service of Kamal Manjari is plucking flowers for Srimati Radharani from Lalita Sakhi's garden.
Very beautiful. And who is Kamal Manjari? You don't have to mute yourself immediately because I will ask more questions. Yes. Who is Kamal Manjari?
Mataji,
Sorry? Okay, you might not remember it. Yes, Satyabhama, do you remember who is Kamal Manjari?
Bhakti Vinod Thakur.
Yes, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. Very nice. Now, what does the name Satchidanand in Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura's Pranam Mantra mean? We discussed this. So, okay, Vrindarani.
Eternal truth, knowledge, and bliss.
I would not have put the options here. Anyways, next. Why is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura's body called Satchidananda? Now, this one is little tricky. Let's see who can answer. Yes, Pratyush.
Mataji, I think so.
No, you don't have to think. You don't have to guess. If you know, you tell.
I don't know, Mataji.
It's okay. Damini, yes? Any one of you can tell. Yes,
Speak.
Parth.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Because he always served Krishna with body, mind, and soul.
Okay. But why C is not the answer? Because he was very learned in scriptures. Guess.
Because in the question they say Sachidananda. That means Sachidanand means Shashwat Sat. Chit matlab mind, and Anand means
Bliss.
yes.
Okay, good. So if we choose option C, so it will only cover Chit part, the knowledge part. So yes, B is the right answer. Very nice, kids. Okay, what was the birth name of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura? This question is for Damini. Yes, Damini. Where are you, Damini? Saloni, do you remember?
विमल विमल प्रसाद दत्ता ऐसे करके कुछ था
No, it was for Srila Bhakti Siddhanta
और
Saraswati Thakur.
भक्ति सिद्धांत ठाकुर के लिए था
No,
हाँ
question is about Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura. Okay, Pratyush. Pratyush.
केदारनाथ दत्ता आई थिंक
Yes, all the kids are very enthusiastic. Pratyush, you don't have to jump. Beta, okay. Which scriptures did young Kedarnath love to hear from his gatekeeper? This is very interesting question.
Mataji.
No, wait. Malu and Madhav, why are you sitting very quietly? Please answer this question. Do you remember the gatekeeper story?
Yes.
So, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, he used to hear scriptures from his gatekeeper. What were those scriptures? Where is Pratyush? Okay, yes, Satyabhama. Yes. Please unmute yourself and speak.
Mataji, Ramayan.
Okay, one more. Radhya, do you remember? Hmm. Okay, Saloni, please.
Ramayan and Mahabharat.
Yes, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, next question. Which of the following was not part of his career? Now, this is tricky. Let's see who can answer. Brindarani, yes.
Uh, King of Navadvip.
Hmm. Was he a school teacher? You're confused. Okay, Damini, yes.
He was not a school teacher.
Yes, so the answer is B. So we read that he studied law. Because of that reason, he became a magistrate in government service. He was a judge. And king of Navdvip means he was residing in Navdvip. He took birth in Navdvip. So he is known as king of Navdvip means he has spread the message of Lord Chaitanya. That's why king of Navdvip, because he did this job which nobody have done so far. Okay. Who was his Shiksha Guru? So this question is for, where is
Mataji.
Sujay? Sujay? Yes, Sujay. You were confused earlier. Let's see if your confusion has gone or not. Who is his Shiksha Guru?
Mataji Sri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mataji.
Then who is his Diksha Guru?
Man, his Diksha Guru, Mataji's Diksha Guru is Shri Bipin Bihari Goswami.
Very good. Okay. Which of these books were written by Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakura? So let's see if anyone knows this. Parsarthi Priya, do you know the answer of this?
I'm confirmed Chaitanya Charitamrita is not and Bhagavad Gita every day is not too. But I confusing A and B.
Okay. So, Saloni, can you answer?
Hari Bhakti Vilas.
You all are guessing. So, see, we discussed in a list where Chaitanya Charitamrita was there, Bhagavad Gita was there, Hari Bhakti Vilas was there. So, thus, these books were, he learned, these were the books which he studied from the master. But Jaiv Dharma was not mentioned. So, thus, Jaiv Dharma is the right answer. So, it was little tricky. So, yes, I know you all love these tricky questions. Anyways, what happened when Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was brought to the spot? If let's see if anyone remembered the story. Okay, Brinda Rani. Maithili, are you raising your hand? Wait. Maithili, are you raising your hand? Do you remember? Okay, please. Let Maithili try. She has not tried. Yes, Maithili, please. She's not able to unmute herself. Okay, Brinda Rani, please.
It was he jumped out. He was jumping in the air, saying, "This is the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya."
Yes, so he immediately jumped out from the basket and he was jumping in ecstasy, calling out Mahaprabhu's names. So yes. Now, last question. In which year did Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura disappeared?
Mataji, I know.
Yes, Satyabhama, please.
He disappeared in 1914.
1914. Very good. Satyabama, you have a really nice memory. Moving forward to our craft. Yay! So we have a very easy craft for all of you, dear kids, which I'm sorry, you have to take it as homework, but I will explain you what to do. It's very, very easy. You can make it in just 10 minutes. So what you need to do is you need to cut out this uh, bookmark. You have I'm sorry, because of poor network, I was locked out. So, yes, I was explaining you, dear kids, that you need to simply cut out everything and you need to paste it, arrange it like this. So, you need to write his message and you need to write Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And then, after completing this, you need to paste this whole bookmark on a thick paper or maybe a cardboard, and then your bookmark will be ready. And you can see this black heart shape here. You need to cut it with the scissor and you need to tie a ribbon here. So this way your bookmark will ready, and whatever books you read, you can put this bookmark in that book. So basically, from bookmark, you remember where you left your reading. Then you can continue from that page. So, like this, dear kids, you need to prepare your bookmark, and we will share the number in the group where you need to share the photographs of your craft. And yes, we will stop here now. Thank you so much for joining, and we will meet soon in our next session if Krishna is willing. Yes, Vrindarani? You all can unmute yourself
Ac-
now. Yes.
Actually, my dad is is part of building a temple here in Frisco, Texas. And today we're doing a celebration of Janmashtami.
Okay. Happy Janmashtami to you. So, okay, you can create this bookmark and send the photographs on the WhatsApp number. Okay, dear kids, any question? No? Okay, thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining.
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna,
We will stop
Mataji.
here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna,
Okay, now we will say Jai. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.